How to fix stable internet connection on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to check that your Wi-Fi is correctly operating. If your Wi-Fi is not unstable, then it may send this error. You have to just check with another Wi-Fi, or you can check it with your cellular data. If this problem is still occurring, then you have to go on the TikTok app. As you go on the TikTok app, then you have to go on the TikTok homepage. Now this is your TikTok homepage or profile page. Then you have to click on these three lines that are located up above, and then you have to go on settings and privacy option. And over here you have to scroll down, and under the cache and cellular data option, you have the option of free up space. As you click on free up space, then you have the option of clear cache. If you clear the cache from here by clicking on clear the cache, then it will just clear that error from your space. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.